Reputed One Order gangster AD fatally shot by the police in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who was said to have been a top member of the One Order gang was fatally shot by the police during a reported confrontation in El Tomedo, Spanish Town. The deceased has been identified as Aiden Carl McIntosh, alias AD, of Eltham Park in Spanish Town. He is said to be in his 20s. Preliminary reports are that at about 3 p.m. on the day in question, McIntosh was fatally shot during a firefight with police. McIntosh was reportedly a close associate of the One Order gang leader, Othniel Tickman Laban, who was fatally shot by the police during a high-profile chase in the 6 miles area of St. Andrew on the night of Wednesday, January 22nd. His killing led to widespread disruption in Spanish Town, with several businesses and schools closing their doors due to blocked roads and confrontation between gunmen and the security forces. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.